Hi, this is my project for computer architecture. This is the 16 by 8 static TTL RAM for all SAP1 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 computer, simple as possible computer. And we have here our data inputs, the 8-bit data inputs, push button for read write and run program switch, address switch, and the 74LS189, 74LS189. Basically, each 74LS189 is a static TTL RAM 16 by 4, and if we combine them, we will have a 16 by 8 static TTL RAM. And here is my decoder, hexadecimal decoder. I use the Arduino chip 80 Mega 328 PPU, and I have here the two pieces of 74595 8-bit register to drive these two 7-segment display. Okay, now we will put a power source into my circuit. So you see the inverted outputs of each IC, 4 bits plus 4 bits is equals to 8 bits, is converted into the hexadecimal form 1111 11111 FF. Okay, so let's begin. Suppose we want to add 1 plus 2 in our computer, and we want to use the address 0E and 0FH. So first thing first, the LDA is equals to 0000 and add is equals to 0001. These are the mnemonics for SAP1. These are the instruction, and the subtract instruction is equals to 0010. Out is equals to 1110. Halt is equals to 1111. So first of all, in our address 0000, we want to load 000 the 11110, the number 1. We put it, we first convert the number 1 decimal into the 8 bits binary form, 0E, because it says here use address 0E and 0FH. So we put the number 1 into the 0EH address, and number 2 we put it into our 0FH address. So we have here the load the LDA 1 and add 0001, the 0FH is equals to 1111 11111, and out 11110, don't care. Lastly, halt 11111, don't care. And the rest of the address here from 04H to 0DH, we put it here letter D or X for don't care. Okay, so first instruction in address 000, we want to input 0E. So here in our address 0, that is 0000, we want note when switches are in up, it means that it is 0, it is low, while if the switches are in high, we want to push them up. Okay, right up. They are different. Okay, so in address 0000 again, we want to input in our data input 0000 11110. So 0 0 0 0, down 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 down, 1 1 1 0, up 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 up, down, and we push it, the button, to write into our RAM. Okay, 0E and 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Next, in address 01H 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 1, address 01. Okay, 01 in our, okay, so in our address 01 0 0 0 1 rather, we have here 00H and 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So we want to input 0 0. It by the way, it means in our address 0001 we have not yet input anything. 0001 1111. So switch up 0001. Okay, 0001 1111, and push the right button. Okay, 1F. Okay, 0001 1111 and address 0001. Okay, and third instruction in address 02 we input 1110. Okay, since I have not enough time, we want now to I will show you now how to retrieve the inputted data in our RAM. Let's say we want to retrieve the data bits from address 000. Basically, we just have to switch our address inputs into 000, and we will see this instruction 0000 11110. So in address 000, and we have 0000 11110 is equals to 0EH. 0EH or 0x0E. In programming, we write this instead of 0EH. Okay, so we want to retrieve now. Lastly, in our 01H, we want to retrieve what did we input in address 01H. So okay, 01H 00001. Okay, and the circuit gave us 0001 1111 is equals to 1FH. 0001 1111 is equals to 0x1F. Okay, so that is my project. If you want any help regarding with this RAM of SAP1 or the Arduino codes, or any help for this microcontroller of Arduino that will and you want to do this do a decoder, XML decoder, just visit my website and contact me. It's www.lenfon.com. So that's it. Bye bye.